Oatmeal is a popular breakfast food made from oats that are packed with nutrients and health benefits. From reducing cholesterol levels to aiding in weight loss, oatmeal has a lot to offer. Let's have a look at 10 health benefits of oats. Oatmeal is a great source of beta-glucan, a type of soluble fiber that helps reduce levels of bad cholesterol, LDL, in the blood. The soluble fiber forms a gel-like substance in the digestive system, which binds to cholesterol and prevents it from being absorbed into the bloodstream. Oatmeal's soluble fiber also helps regulate blood sugar levels by slowing down the absorption of carbohydrates into the bloodstream. This helps prevent spikes and crashes in blood sugar levels, which can lead to fatigue, mood swings, and other health problems. Oatmeal's fiber content helps promote regular bowel movements and prevents constipation. Additionally, the soluble fiber in oatmeal acts as a prebiotic, feeding the beneficial bacteria in the gut and promoting a healthy gut microbiome. Oatmeal is a great source of complex carbohydrates, which are broken down slowly in the body to provide a steady source of energy. This makes oatmeal an ideal breakfast food to start your day off right. Oatmeal contains a variety of vitamins and minerals that support immune function, including zinc, selenium, and iron. These nutrients help your body fight off infections and illnesses. Oatmeal is a low-calorie, nutrient-dense food that can help you feel full for longer periods of time. This can help reduce overall calorie intake and support weight loss efforts. Oatmeal's high fiber content also helps lower blood pressure by reducing the amount of sodium and water in the body. This can help prevent hypertension, a major risk factor for heart disease. Oatmeal contains avenanthramides, a type of antioxidant that has been shown to reduce inflammation in the body. Chronic inflammation is linked to a variety of health problems, including arthritis, heart disease, and cancer. Oatmeal is a good source of calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium, which are essential minerals for bone health. These nutrients help maintain strong bones and prevent conditions like osteoporosis. Oatmeal has anti-inflammatory properties that can help soothe and heal irritated skin. Additionally, the vitamin E and zinc in oatmeal help protect skin from damage caused by UV radiation and environmental pollutants. That is all. Hope that you have liked it. Catch you on the next one.